guys, isn't this beautiful? Guys, look at this summer. Anybody can fit in. This dress was made by Maimunya. Hey, ladies coacher. Guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put her link on top there so that you can follow her and you can have all the design of dresses that you want. She can make any dresses from scratch. She is a designer. Any designer dress that you want, just give her a pattern, just give her your measurements, and boom, it's done. All those dresses, most of the dresses, 98% of the dresses that you see people wearing on Facebook, on Instagram, on parties, on high teas, on different occasions, these dresses are made by Maimunya. Please follow her and let's support one of our own, a lady who's making a difference in UK by designing dresses.